Good morning, students. In this class, my aim is to explain some problems from Sem 1 topics. Dear my students, you know that when the mind is calm, then only we can produce good results from us, isn't it? So, when you face an exam, read the questions carefully, then do the questions. Then only you will reach to the final answer. You know that in this Sem 1, the maximum mark is 40. And the time allotted is 1.5 hours. And all the questions are compulsory. Understand? And the paper is divided into 3 sections. One is section A, 16 marks. Look at the board. Section A, 16 marks. 1 mark each. 16 questions are there. But in section B, 12 marks are there, 6 questions are there, 6 questions are there, and 6 into 2, 12 marks. Each question carries 2 marks. And in the last, section C, (12 marks), each question carries 1 mark each. Therefore, 16 plus 12 plus 12 gives 40. Okay, in this class, I am going to explain some questions. All of you write that. Question 1 from section A. If the matrix 3 into 4x plus 2 into y minus 3 equal to the matrix 10, 0. All of you copy the questions from the board. Then I will explain the problem. 4 options are given. Do that problems. All of you look here. Here the first one is from the chapter matrix. I will explain some notes from this matrix. You know that matrix is a rectangular array of numbers arranged into rows and columns. And the second one is, if you write the matrix 4, 3, then this is known as a raw matrix. And here raw matrix means only 1 row and 2 columns. Therefore, the order of the matrix is 1 by 2. If you write another matrix in this way, 4, 3, then the order changes, 2 rows and only 1 column. Therefore, this is known as a column matrix. And you know that C is the matrix 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of rows is 2. Number of columns is 2. Therefore, this is known as a square matrix. Then unit matrix means I is the notation for unit matrix 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Then here the question is, you know the question, 3 into 4x, this is a raw matrix, plus 2 into y minus 3 equal to the answer given 10, 0. Then multiply by 3. When you multiply by a scalar, multiply the each element of the matrix. 3 4s are 12, 3x. Then plus 2y minus 6 equal to the matrix 10, 0. Okay, then add the LHS part 12 plus 2y and 3x minus 6, that is equal to the matrix 10, 0. Therefore, when two matrices are said to be equal, if they are of the same order, here the order of the first matrix is 1 by 2, here also that is 1 by 2, and two matrices are said to be equal means corresponding elements are equal. That means 12 plus 2y equal to 10 means 2y equal to 10 minus 12. Y is equal to minus 2 by 2, that is minus 1. Then equating the second term 3x minus 6 equal to 0 implies 3x equal to 6x equal to 2. Therefore, the correct option is minus 1, 2. X is 2 and y is minus 1. X first, x is 2, y is minus 1. Therefore, the first option 2 minus 1 is correct. Understand? But all of you look here, 1 minus 2 means 1 is x, that is wrong. Therefore, the correct option is A. Then you have to write, if they put the option 1 is A, you have to write that the answer column A, not 1. You know that the actual answer is 1, first option, but here they use the symbol A, B, C, D. Therefore, you have to write, listen very carefully, you have to write the letter small a. If it is small a, you have to write A. If it is capital A, you have to write capital A. Okay, students? Then, second problem, if in two triangles ABC and PQR, QR by AB is equal to PR by BC is equal to PQ by CA. Then, which triangle is similar to which triangle? Okay, students? Then we can draw the first one. The first one is ABC. All of you draw here a rough figure. ABC. And the second one is PQR. All of you look here. Here the condition given is QR divided by AB. Here AB is this side, isn't it? And PR by BC. PR you can draw two, AC 2 lines. Then PQ means 3 lines, this. Therefore, here also once again all of you look here, the relation is QR by AB equal to PR by BC equal to PQ by CA. That means the letters from the second triangle. Therefore, you can take the second triangle first. That is triangle PQR. Okay, students? Triangle PQR. But here, QR by AC. Understand? Therefore, the option is PQR similar to CAB. CAB. Understand? CAB. Therefore, you can draw that second figure like this. ABC. CAB. Therefore, here that is PQR. QR by AB. QR by AB. Is it clear? Okay. Then, the third question. Copy the third question. If the division of ax square plus 9x square plus 4x minus 10 by x plus 3 leaves a remainder 5, the value of a is. I will explain that chapter. Remainder theorem says, when you divide a polynomial fx by x minus a, fx by x minus a, the remainder is f of a. That is the remainder theorem. What is the remainder theorem? When we divide fx by x minus a, the remainder is f of a. Here, but the remainder is 5 and it is divided by x plus 3 means the remainder is f of minus 3. Note down that point. F of minus 3. That is fx is equal to a into minus 3 the whole cube, isn't it? Plus 9 into minus 3 the whole square plus 4 into minus 3 minus 10. Here f of minus 3. Therefore, the answer is, that is equal to 5. That is given in the question. That is equal to 5. Therefore, after doing that problem, you will get minus 27, a equal to minus 54, a equal to 2. A equal to 2. Once again, all of you look here. Remainder theorem says when we divide fx by x minus a, the remainder is f of a. But factor theorem says when you divide by x minus a, then if the remainder is 0, then x minus a is a factor. Now, copy the fourth question. The solution set representing the following number line is. Very simple question. All of you look here. Here the limits are minus 6 and 3. Minus 6 and 3. And full complete portion is covered, isn't it? Darkened. And this minus 6, there is a solid circle. What is the meaning? Solid circle. They darkened that circle. That meaning is minus 6 less than or equal to x. And the upper limit is 3. That is also a solid circle. Therefore, less than or equal to. That means minus 6 and 3. Minus 6 and 3 both included. Both included. Therefore, the option C is correct. Suppose the question is, all of you look at the board. 0, minus 1, minus 2. The other side 1, 2, 3. I draw the figure like this. Can you say the limits? Minus 2, the hollow circle. Hollow circle means only less. Less, not that minus 2 included. Less than x, less than or equal to. This is a solid circle. Less than or equal to 3. Understand? Then copy the fifth question. My aim is not only explain these 10 or 12 questions. My aim is to explain that portion. Therefore, listen carefully. If Ramesh deposited rupees 800 per month for 2 years in RD, then the total amount deposited by him. Underline the word. When the reading time, you underline that word. Deposited. Only he deposited. Then the amount is. How can you do that problem? All of you look here. When you deposit some amount in a bank that gives recurring deposit interest, the maturity value is amount deposited plus interest, isn't it? Therefore, the amount which we deposited is only n into p. Not apply all the formula. N into p is the amount which we deposited. He deposited 800 for 2 years. Here we convert 2 years into 24 months. 24 into 8. Can you say? 192,000. Therefore, the correct option is 192,000. D is the correct option. Not misunderstand that. Here not the question is maturity value. The question is only the total money deposited by him. In the account is only NP, amount deposited. Then sixth problem. In an AP, first term is 2. In an AP, the first term is 2. And the common difference is 8. And the nth term is 74. So n is, I will repeat, the first term 2, common difference 8. And the nth term is 74. Okay, all of you look here once again. AP means, how can you AP obtained? An arithmetic progression is obtained by adding or decreasing a certain number to the previous number, preceding number. Isn't it? Here A is given. Repeat the question. A is 2 and the common difference is 8 and the nth term notation an is equal to 74. All of you look here. An formula, nth term of an AP is A plus n minus 1 into D. Listen carefully. Nth term of an AP, an is A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. Look here. Suppose my question is A10. How can you write A10 formula directly? A plus 9D. Listen students. A25. Can you say what is A25 formula? A plus 24D. A100 is A plus 99D. Okay. But here the nth term is given. Our aim is to find n. Therefore, 74 is equal to 2 plus n minus 1 into 8. What is 74 minus 2? 72 equal to n minus 1 into 8. Then 72 by 8. 9 8s are 72 equal to n minus 1. N is equal to 10. Isn't it? Actually, very simple questions. Look at the board. The option B is correct. B is correct. Then copy the 7th question. Do fast. The roots of the equation 2x square minus 5x equal to 0. That question is from which chapter? Quadratic equation. An equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, comma a not equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Two values are there. X equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac the whole by 2a, and this b square minus 4ac is known as the discriminant. And if b square minus 4ac equal to 0 means the roots are real and equal. And if it is greater than 0 means the roots are real and unequal or distinct. And if b square minus 4ac less than 0, the roots are imaginary. Understand? That's what about nature of roots. Here our question is only solved. 2x square minus 5x equal to 0. From these two terms, we can take x outside, isn't it? 2x minus 5 equal to 0. In maths, AB equal to 0 means either A equal to 0 or B equal to 0. That means x equal to 0 or 2x minus 5 equal to 0. Therefore, 2x equal to 5, x equal to 5 by 2. Therefore, the answer option is 0, 5 by 2 or 5 by 2, 0. Which option is correct? 5 by 2, 0. 0, 5 by 2 or 5 by 2, 0. Here the values of x, therefore you can interchange the answer. Understand? Then one simple question from that chapter, all of you look here. Suppose the question is x square minus 64 equal to 0. How can you do that problem? X square equal to 64 means x equal to root 64 plus or minus 8. The options are plus 8 minus 8. Okay? Plus 8 minus 8. Now, listen the next question. Question number 10. Question number 10. 10th term from the nth of the AP. From the nth of the AP. 8, 10, 12, etc. 126. All of you look here. 8, 10, 12, etc. 126. Here actually the first term is 8, second term is 10. Can you say what is the common difference? 2. Isn't it? But AP means from this beginning you have to add the common difference. But when you take 126 as the first term, take 120, listen carefully, take 126 as the first term, D changes to minus 2 in the reverse order. Actually we minus. Suppose 12 is there, 12 minus 2, 10, 10 minus 2, 8, like that. Therefore, here our aim is to find the, which term? 10th term from the end. Actually, the formula is a plus 9d. A is from the end. Listen, from the end means 126 plus 9 into that d changes to minus 2. First d is 2, but from the end means change the sign of the common difference. What is 126 minus 18? Can you say the answer? What is 126 minus 18? Is it 108? The first option A is correct. Okay, students. Now listen the 9th problem. 6 minus 5x greater than or equal to 3 minus 4x x in n. Then the solution set. 6 minus 5x greater than or equal to 3 minus 4x comma x in n. Now listen, 6 and 3 are the constants, minus 5x and minus 4x are the variable containing term. Here minus 5x, when you convert in the other side, changes to plus. Therefore 6 minus 3 greater than or equal to minus 4x plus 5x. 3 greater than or equal to x or x less than or equal to 3. Therefore the options x in n means 1, 2, 3. And we can do this problem in another way. 6 minus 5x greater than or equal to 3 minus 4x. Some students do in this way. Minus 5x plus 4x greater than or equal to 3 minus 6. Agree? Minus x greater than or equal to 3 minus 6 is minus 3. We cannot cancel this minus minus. When you convert, change this minus, actually reverse the inequality. Here automatically you can convert this into or change the sides. Therefore 3 here. Therefore the question changes to x less than or equal to 3. And suppose minus x greater than or equal to 3. Not connecting with the same. Listen this also. Suppose if you want to change this minus x greater than or equal to 3 means you have to change this x otherwise. Isn't it? Or x less than or equal to minus 3. X less than or equal to minus 3. Understand? Then copy the next question. 10th question. 10th question. If x equal to 2 is a solution of the equation. If x equal to 2 is a solution of the equation. Kx square plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Kx square plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Then the value of k is. When if x equal to 2 is a solution means, this is the equation. X equal to 2 is a solution means, in the place of x you can put this 2. Yes, substitute k into 2 square plus 2 into 2 minus 3 equal to 0. 4k plus 4 minus 1, 1 equal to 0. Therefore, k equal to minus 1 by 4. K equal to minus 1 by 4. Okay, students. Then, next question. The third proportional to 1.2 and 1.8. 1.2 and 1.8. Third proportional means 1.2 is to 1.8 proportional to 1.8 to 2 is to x. All of you agree? Then we apply this condition, product of the extremes equal to product of the means. That means 1.2 into x equal to 1.8 into 1.8. Therefore, x is equal to 1.8 into 1.8 by 1.2. The final answer 2.7. Do by yourself. 1.8 into 1.8 by 1.2 is 2.7. The B is correct. Then when x cube minus x square plus 3 is divided by x plus 1, the remainder. Then do that. X cube, copy the question. X cube minus x square plus 3, that is fx, divided by x plus 1 means f of minus 1. Minus 1 the whole cube minus 1 the whole square plus 3. Minus 1 the whole cube minus 1 minus plus 1 plus 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. That is the correct option. Then 13th question, an article costs rupees 2,500. GST charged on it is 12%. SGST. You know that SGST means 6%. Isn't it? SGST charge, SGST and CGST. They divide the rate. Therefore, 6% of 2,500. Those who want to the explanation. Right, 2,500 into 6 by 100. 100 cancel. 150 is the correct option. 150. Isn't it? CGST and SGST take the half of the rate for IGST. Then only you take this 12%. Otherwise divide. Then the percentage share of SGST of total GST of an intra-state sale of an article is very good, 50%. That is why here we took 6%. They took only 6%, half percent, 50%, 100 divided by 2, 50%. Okay, these questions are important. Then, in the triangle ABC, PQ parallel BC, then ABC is similar to APQ. All of you look at the board. ABC is the bigger triangle. APQ is the small triangle. By angle A equal to angle A common, angle B equal to angle P, corresponding angles, then automatically C equal to Q. Therefore, by AAA similarity theorem, here no S is given in the question. Therefore, the answer is AAA similarity theorem. C is the correct option. Then first, from the first section, the last question, 16a, 6 4, 7, x plus 9 are in proportion. Actually, this proportion chapter you studied in 6th and 7th or 8th standard. Go through that problems also. That means just study this portion. Proportion means A is to B proportional to C is to D means A into D equal to B into C, product of the extremes. Here when you take product of the extremes, say the answer, you can do by heart. 4 into x plus 9 equal to 7x, isn't it? 7x equal to minus 4x, 3x equal to 36 means x equal to 12. Very simple question. Therefore, 16 questions, 16 marks. Understand? Study well. God bless you.